Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print all attachments in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and prepare your inbox for the next steps. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, find the email that contains the attachments you want to print. Once you've located it, double-click on the email to open it in a separate window. This is important because you'll need access to the full menu options that appear when an email is opened this way. Now, with the email open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see several menu options available. Click on the File menu to reveal a drop-down list of actions you can perform with this email. This menu contains various options for managing and handling your emails and their contents. Under the File menu, locate and click on the print link. This will open up additional printing options and show you a print preview on your screen. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice the Print Properties window has appeared. This section allows you to customize exactly how your email will be printed. In the Print Properties window, look for and click on the Print Options button. This will open a new print settings window with more detailed configuration choices. Here's where you can control what gets printed along with your email. At the bottom part of this print settings window, you'll see a checkbox labeled Print Attached Files. Go ahead and click on this checkbox to enable it. Enabling this option is crucial because it tells Outlook to include all attachments within the printing process, not just the email body itself. Without this setting turned on, only the email text would print and your attachments would be ignored. Once you've enabled the Print Attached Files option, click on the OK button to save your settings and close this window. You'll be taken back to the main print screen where everything is now configured to print both your email and all its attachments together. Finally, click on the Print button to send everything to your printer. You'll need to wait a moment while Outlook processes your request and begins printing both the email and all attached files. And that's it. You've now configured Outlook to print all attachments along with your email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.